Have some ambitious plans to scale up fast. We believe that we will have the fleet of 60 systems in operation by 2021.
So, of course, next few months are going to be super tense. This is an exciting moment, but of course, the moment we're looking most forward to is to bring this first plastic back to shore. It's because that means that it's proven technology, and that's what we hope to achieve with this first system. So the idea is that we take the plastic back to land, and we work together with our recycling partners. And the idea is that we can process that plastic and turn it into very nice, desirable products that are durable, designed to not end up back into the oceans. And by selling those, we actually hope to help fund the cleanup and fund the operations of the cleanup system. So next few months, I'll be really obsessively looking at the data that's coming in from the vessel, from the data streams, from the cleanup system, which will hopefully then allow us to catch the first plastic and bring it to land.
The image shows the Great Pacific Garbage Patch in Hawaii. This picture also shows the Great Pacific Garbage Patch in California. How much plastic floats in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? At the time of sampling, there were more than 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic in the patch that weighed an estimated 80,000 tons, equivalent to 500 jumbo jets. These figures are much higher than previous calculations. Types of plastic float in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The vast majority of plastics retrieved were made of rigid or hard polyethylene or polypropylene, or derelict fishing gear, nets and ropes particularly, ranging in size from small fragments to larger objects and meter-sized fishing nets. Plastics within the patch was categorized into 4 size classes: microplastics 0.05 to 0.5 centimeters, mesoplastics 0.5 to 5 centimeters, macroplastics 5 to 50 centimeters, megaplastics anything above 50 centimeters. The effects of marine life and humans. Not only does plastic pollution in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch pose risks for the safety and health of marine animals, but there are health and economic implications for humans as well. Impact on wildlife. Plastics has increasingly become an ubiquitous substance in the oceans. Due to its size and color, animals confuse the plastic for food, causing malnutrition. It poses entanglement risk and threatens their overall behavior, health, and existence. Studies have shown that about 700 species have encountered marine debris, and 92% of these interactions are with plastics. 17% of the species affected by plastics are on the IUCN, or International Union for Conservation of Nature, Red List of Threatened Species. Facts about garbage patches. In the Great Pacific Ocean Gyre, there are 6 times more plastics than plankton, which is the main food for many ocean animals. By estimation, 80% of the plastic originates from land, floating in rivers to the ocean, or blew by the wind into the ocean. The remaining 20% of the plastic originates from oil platforms and ships. According to scientists, it is the largest plastic dump on Earth, so plastic patches are larger than waste dumps on land. Scientific research from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography in California, US, shows that 5 to 10% of the fish contain small pieces of plastic.
Here are some images that can be seen from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. In this picture, Diverse biological communities, including crabs, pelagic barnacles, sea anemones, and hydroids inhabit a piece of roof debris. In this picture, SIPLIC researchers recovered 3 plastic bottles covered with marine organisms, including large barnacles. On August 6, as SIPLIC scientists continued toward the North Pacific Ocean Gyre, a large piece of plastic with crabs and fish larvae was retrieved from the water using a hand net. Here are some flying fish eggs that were found attached to a bird feeder, a much more natural settlement site.
Thank you for watching.
God bless.